Under the desert sun, Aladdin and Princess Jasmine savor a tranquil day in their palace. The genie stands beside them, his usual vibrancy dimmed, a subtle sign of fading strength. A stork descends, carrying a letter marked with the ominous seal of dark magic. Bathed in sunlight, Aladdin stands before Jasmine, a scroll clutched in his hands. Aladdin reads aloud. It's from Aaron, that wicked desert witch. He vows revenge. Jasmine sits on the throne, her face etched with worry. Oh, Aladdin, this is terrible. Aladdin's voice hardens with determination. I won't let him hurt our kingdom, Jasmine. And I have to help Genie. Aladdin, Jasmine, and the genie prepare for flight as they climb aboard the flying carpet. The carpet gracefully ascends, carrying them into the vast, open sky. The genie gestures towards the horizon, revealing their distant destination. Diamonds hidden within pillars by a distant river can restore my powers. The trio arrives at the riverside, where two towering pillars rise from the water. Jasmine drinks from the river but recoils, declaring, "This tastes foul." Aladdin notices the wilted flowers and pale leaves, a subtle sign of growing decay. The river stops flowing. The pillars begin to tremble, signaling imminent danger. The genie gestures wildly, his eyes wide with urgency as he warns, "Get the diamonds! Hurry, before it's too late!" Aladdin, his face set with resolve, jumps onto the flying carpet, ready to act. He grabs a stone and strikes the pillars, but they remain unyielding. The sky darkens, and a flash of lightning reveals the ominous scene. A green dragon rises from the river, its shadow falling over the land. The dragon grabs Aladdin's leg, swinging him through the air. Jasmine's voice pierces the air. "Genie, help!" The genie, summoning his last reserves, unleashes a blinding yellow light, striking the dragon. Blinded, the dragon releases Aladdin from its grasp. Just as Aladdin plummets towards the river, the carpet descends, catching him mid-air. The dragon strikes, its claws ensnaring the genie. Aladdin shatters a stone pillar, revealing a treasure of glittering diamonds. Aladdin tosses diamonds toward the genie. The genie consumes the diamonds, and raw power courses visibly through him. Eyes shut, he chants words of power. The air shimmers with arcane energy. With a final incantation, he casts a shrinking spell towards the dragon. Amidst the chaos of shattering pillars, Jasmine spots a glowing red gem on the dragon's tail. With a swift motion, Jasmine snatches the gem, breaking the dragon's power forever. The genie, now free, beams with overwhelming gratitude. Aladdin gazes at Genie, his face etched with deep remorse. Aladdin speaks with heartfelt sincerity. "I am sorry for the trouble caused by your dream of being human. Live as our friend, not a servant." The trio soars on their magic carpet, returning to the palace. Jasmine smiles. "May our friendship never end." The palace stands silent, devoid of the usual activity. No servants, no wren. Aladdin, Jasmine, and the genie exchange worried glances, a shared sense of unease binding them together. Under the relentless desert sun, Aaron stirs potions with frantic precision. His face, contorted with malice, is set with revenge as he mutters dark oaths. The desert sun beats down, and the long shadows dance around him. In the palace throne room, Aladdin, Jasmine, and the genie gather, their faces illuminated by the flickering candlelight. Aladdin's voice cuts through the silence. "We know Aaron is a threat." Jasmine responds with determination. "We must be prepared." Under the vast desert sky, Aladdin, Jasmine, and the genie stand united, their silhouettes etched against the moonlit landscape. Bound by loyalty and love, they pledge to confront any peril to protect those dearest to them. Their resolve solidifies, their connection strengthened by shared trials. They embrace the horizon of their next adventure. Under the vast, moonlit desert sky, Aladdin, Jasmine, and the genie stand united, their silhouettes etched against the horizon. They pledge to confront any peril to protect those they cherish, their determination echoing in the stillness of the night. Their unity shines brighter than ever, a beacon of hope amidst the endless sands, ready to face the unknown.